for our CEO Spotlight. I'd like to welcome in Michael Cammarata, President, CEO, Neptune Wellness Solutions. The ticker symbol is NEPT. And you know what, Michael, I like within your bio, it says Michael is a new breed of unconventional CEOs. So tell us why your mission is an important one and how you are part of this new breed.
Yeah, I think we're uniquely positioned. Neptune Health and Wellness is essentially like leading the plant-based revolution inside your whole household. So we're touching products from when you wake up to when you go to bed, and we're using super ingredients like cannabis-derived ingredients, hemp ingredients, and other plant-based ingredients to really take your household to a whole new level. So I think the unconventional thinking in the products that we're innovating in Canada and in the U.S. give us a unique position. So I think we've been tasked with developing and innovating products that haven't been touched for a long time and get it out to the masses at affordable pricing.
I know you have some important partnerships that I want to discuss, but just so people understand Neptune Wellness, I mean, are there some of the things that you're describing that people would recognize more readily than others?
Well, I think we have products from hand sanitizers that are plant-based, which has been very unique in the COVID environment, to creams, to omega-3s and vitamins and supplements. So I think we also develop and turnkey solutions for some of the biggest brands in the world when it comes to supplements. So we develop the formulas, and we also have our own brands like Forest Remedies and Ocean Remedies. So from nutraceutical products all the way to day-to-day use.
Yeah, and I know you've been doing some good deeds with your hand sanitizers. Tell us that quickly. Shipping out a ton of that, right?
Yeah, it is definitely something between our factories and our network that we've been trying to keep up with. The demand is over 300% and increasing. And I think something that was a little bit unique is we took the approach on let's make a hand sanitizer that actually helps your skin become softer and really address the consumer needs. So I think we partnered with Dr. Jane Goodall, and her hand sanitizers coming out. And so I think we've been very unique positioned, and we're definitely on our growing rapidly. So I think we're 300 to 400% year-over-year growth this Q1.
Yeah, and I understand there's a deal over $16 million, all about hemp extraction. Tell us about that in the future and how that's set to be a success for you.
Yeah, so we're focused in areas of growth, and in Canada, cannabis is a growing opportunity for us, and hemp. And what we're seeing is that hemp is a super ingredient to like personal care products, so it goes right in line with the products that we make for consumers. And so our plant in Canada was originally a curl oil manufacturer that made omega-3s, and we just recently completed transformation to allow it to do hemp and CBD and different cannabinoids. And allows us to help the farmers and the cannabis LPs and the CPG companies lower their cost of the ingredient and increase our margin at the same time. So I think we're uniquely positioned when it comes to the U.S. and Canada market. We do not touch THC in the U.S., but hemp only. But in Canada, we're the largest provider of extraction. So I think extraction basically is the process where the formula comes together and ultimately ends into a product. So from extraction to shelf, we're the leader with over capacity to ramp up to 3 million kilos of capacity.
Mm-hmm. When you're talking about growth for the company, 300%, 400% going forward, I mean, that sounds greatly optimistic, particularly in this environment. I don't know if you're just trying to breed some optimism and enthusiasm, and, optimism brings more optimism, right? Where do you expect to get this kind of really exponential growth, 300%? I mean, what part are you going to see that?
Well, it's uniquely spread between our nutraceutical division. We're seeing huge growth for like vitamins and supplements. Our cannabis division in Canada is doing really good. Our hemp is becoming crucial to a lot of different consumer packaged good companies. So like hemp is being put in products from deodorants to shampoo. So I think between all of our different our B2B units as well as our B2C units, like we have Forest Remedies, which we launched, and it was in Albertsons, which is our hemp product. We also have Dr. Jane Goodall's line coming out. So all of our divisions are on an upswing. We just obviously, Q4 to Q1 was a really big turning point for our company because we completed the transformation in our factories. we launched additional brands, and a lot of our innovations started coming to market. So it's stuff that we've been working on for years, coming to market, and something that's very unique to be in a situation, I think, in these markets to be able to be having this type of growth. And so we're doing our best to always be transparent and give as much information to our investors and let them enjoy the journey with us.
Just give me 10 seconds on your direct to consumer business and Dr. Jane there too, which is some big news for you.
Yeah, so forestremedies.com and oceanremedies.com are two of our consumer brands. We sell them direct to consumer online. We will be rolling out the product into Amazon shortly. And then we have a handful of retailers that we started launching and testing the product with. And with Dr. Jane Goodall, it was really important with all of our brands that we lead with purpose. And I think that's something that makes us really unique. So like Forest Remedies, we're planting trees with every purchase. And Ocean Remedies, we're providing nutrition to people in need for a year with every purchase. And with Dr. Jane Goodall's line, we're really supporting her cause because obviously she used to go on the road and speak a lot. And during COVID, she hasn't been able to get out on the road as frequently and raise money for her foundation. So with every purchase, we're donating to her foundation and we're developing plant-based alternatives. So we're basically trying to transform your whole household into a plant-based solution.